So today we'll be trying one new chicken recipe, and the importance or the uniqueness of this recipe is that we'll be making it using only just three ingredients. Yes, just three ingredients. So most of the housewives, they can share my this video so that their husband, they don't give any excuses going forward. Okay, like I am not able to prepare and all. So just three ingredients which are readily and easily available. So we'll start the process. Come here. For this we'll need this chicken breast and boneless chicken breast, yeah. And this is the key ingredient. Okay, this is olive oil and of course lemon, and we'll need some garlic. I'll bring it here. This is the garlic. Okay, so first step is like as usual, we need to marinate it for about an hour, and we'll start the marination process. Pour generously this olive oil. Okay, basically we are using this one. Now all of the olive oil is gone in this. Next we'll put the garlic in this. Okay, so this is the first time I am trying this recipe, and you can see our utensils and all these are also like first timer only, but just concentrate on the recipe rather than other things, and as time passes we will become pro, no doubt about it. And one more key thing, we should add a zest of lemon in this, so keep adding this. This is called zest of lemon. Is it enough?
Is it even falling?
Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, it's coming, I think. Yeah. Don't worry.
Yeah, that would be enough.
No, I don't think so. I think this much is enough. What do you say? Now we'll add some generous amount of lemon. Yeah. I think we should add this one also. Huh? What do you feel? Entire lemon or just
Entire.
this one also? Okay. Here we go. Here goes another one. Yeah. This reminds me of Bacardi lemon flavor white rum. The way we are putting this lemon in this. Yeah. So now what we'll do is what is this?
Pepper.
Yeah, pepper. Yeah, this is another ingredient we missed out. This is pepper. This is our Gauti style. Okay, you can see this is Gauti style by which we are putting. Not Gauti, local style. Other style is like, yeah, we have this also. Yeah. This looks cool.
It's of no use, please.
No? Why? Yeah, it's coming.
Keep it aside. Keep it aside.
Okay. You mean to say old is gold?
Yeah.
Okay.
घालतोय.
I think this is punchy. Garlic punchy.
Let it sit for an hour.
Yeah, so the next part of this video, our marinated the chicken is ready. Now we'll try to grill it, and this is a starter kind of recipe. So we'll start ahead. Our pan is on. Now we just have to put it over. Yeah, there it goes. The sizzling sound, sizzle. And then pour all of the remaining. Okay, so I'll stop the video now, and then later on we'll see how it gets ready.